Hey guys, it's Marlene here and welcome back or welcome to our channel. So guys, if you are new here, we love to share anything that's food related. So if you are into that or anything that deals with the kitchen, we would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. So in today's recipe, we are making a one-pot Caribbean dish, and it is a Caribbean jerk chicken and rice recipe. I love making this dish. It's perfect for meal prepping. And if you are looking for Haitian meal prep recipes, in the partner blog post, we have a full guide on how to prep Haitian meals for about 6 days. So guys, this recipe is so incredibly easy to make and uses just basic ingredients. Now, some of the ingredients, just like the jerk seasoning, can be found at your local grocery store, or you can use the one we have on our website at savorythoughts.com, so you can make your own Caribbean jerk seasoning. So for this recipe, to begin with, we are using 4 tablespoons of canola oil. So we are using about 6 chicken thighs, but you can leave the skin on. However, for this recipe, we are using 6 skinless chicken thighs. And the reason why I'm using chicken thighs is because unlike chicken breast, it doesn't get dry when it cooks, because you are going to cook this twice. So, and also because we don't want the skin to become soggy as it continues to cook with the rice. So to season your meat, go ahead and pat it dry. Be sure that you wash your meat thoroughly, and we have a full video on how to clean chicken, which we will also link in the description box below. So go ahead, add in about 1 tablespoon of dry Caribbean jerk rub. Next, add in your oil. This is about 1 tablespoon of oil. And also add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix well and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes, but best overnight. When you're ready to cook in a large skillet, you can use a cast iron skillet or a non-stick skillet. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil and go ahead to sear the meat until you are done. I do recommend that you sear your meat in batches. It makes it easier for it to brown, and also less juice is included while you are trying to sear your meat. Once you are done searing your meat, now it's time for us to add in the other ingredients. Go ahead and add about 1/3 cup of diced onion. Add in 1 cup of diced carrots and mix well to combine. Also dice 2 bell peppers. And for this, I am using a mixture of green and red bell pepper, but you can use any color you like. I do recommend that you finely dice them because it makes it a lot easier for the vegetables to cook evenly. Once you're done, now mix it well and saute your vegetables for about 45 seconds. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, once you're done, go ahead and add in about 1 cup of white rice. Be sure to wash your rice until the water runs clear. Now that's just to remove some of the starch. Next, go ahead and add in 1 more tablespoon of the dry jerk seasoning plus 1 teaspoon. And also add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Again, we are using kosher salt. Add in about 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, and also add in your fresh herbs. Next, mix all the ingredients well until just combined. Then add in your vegetable broth. I do recommend that you use low sodium vegetable broth because you don't want your meal to be too salty. Plus, it gives you room if you want to season it a little bit more later on. Now, once you're done adding your liquid, go ahead and stir it lightly. Next, top it off with your chicken. Now, I do recommend that you spread the chicken around. That way it gives the rice room and the chicken room to bake and cook. Next, cover it with an aluminum foil and transfer it to the oven and bake for about 45 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you're done, allow it to cool, remove the aluminum foil, and go ahead and serve. Guys, like I said, this meal is absolutely delicious. And if you are a busy mom like me, this will come in handy because it is great for meal planning. We also have 6 Haitian meal planning ideas that you can make on our website at savorythoughts.com. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. The full recipe is on our website, and on our website we are sharing step-by-step photo guide on how to make this perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. We would love for you, if you haven't subscribed, we would love for you to subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us to be discovered. And also, if you haven't hit the notification bell, we do encourage you to do so, because we don't want you to miss out on any new videos. Cheers.